Disabled accounts cannot be contacted on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's launch the Instagram application on device and make sure that you're logged into your account on Instagram application. So after logging into your account, just tap on any profile that has been disabled. So let's search for one of these accounts over here. So what you need to do is just go to the profile and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and then tap on restrict over here. So tap on restrict and then wait for a while. So you can just go back and then on the search bar you can just go to the profile back again and then tap on three dotted lines at the top right corner again and then tap on unrestrict. Now after tapping on unrestrict, what you can simply do is go to the chat box or tap on message and you'll be able to contact that person. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.